Hey there, this is Atm Teaches Math, waiting to teaching you Pythagorean theorem. And now I brought two proofs for math, and I brought one code for using the Pythagorean theorem. And first, let's just use trapezoids for. I'm not sure if the spelling is right, but probably it's called trapezoids. And this green and blue triangle are identical. They're just kind of rotated. So let's call this here A. Then this would be A since it's 90 degrees rotated, B here, and B here. C will be here, and C will be here. And then we can see something very new. The thing is, if you look at here, we can see two right triangles that are identical and one orange right angle triangle. And also we can see that the big shape here is a trapezoid. So we're going to look at the area for the trapezoid and for the three right angle triangles. Well, first, the trapezoid's area is a plus b times a plus b divided by 2 equals three right triangles, which are 2 times 2 under ab plus 2 under c squared, which is 2 under 2ab plus c squared. But we can show that this is 2 under a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and then since this and this is the same, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals 2ab plus c squared. And then, if we just minus this, then this becomes a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The first proof is done, and I just put my logo there. So, this way is by the former American president. I think it's not Andrew Garfield, it is James Abram Garfield, and he's the 20th president of the United States, so you can remember that. He made this proof, but actually it's not made by him, but the name is Garfield proof. So the next is this. This is four right triangles are the same, identical, rotated 90 degrees, and this big one is different. So, since they are all identical, let's just call A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, and C. And then we can see that the biggest square is a plus b squared. The area is a plus b squared, and the other places, this is c squared, and then 200ab, 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 so 4 times 200ab, which becomes c squared plus 2ab equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So if you just look at here, then this and this is the same, so c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So, proof. The next I'm going to do is coding. So, the outro will come on soon. I mean, the intro for coding, saying Atm Math coding. So, if you go to about 5 seconds later of the end of my word, then you can see me coding and saying hello and doing things again. I'll come back with coding. Hello everyone, I'm back with coding, and now I'm going to show you a code of C++ using the Pythagoras theorem and something called the swap algorithm. So let's start. Here you see sharp include iStream, but I recommend you to not use iStream, but to use bits/std c++.h, which is probably the best and has all things inside, including iStream, CMath, CString, and etc. So inside the main, I'm gonna only say it's A, B, C, D. We input A, B, C, which are the three sides length of the triangle, and make C the maximum of the number. So if A is bigger than B and A is bigger than C, we swap it, so we put inside D, A, and A, C, and C, D, which becomes the biggest. Then else if this is wrong and B is bigger than C, D equals B equals C equals D. So inside D there goes B, inside B there goes C, inside C there goes D. It's kind of like a cycle. So if A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and something like that. Before I tell you something, I'm going to tell you about the swap algorithm. So, / swap algorithm. And this is just making numbers big. So, if A is bigger than B and bigger than C, and we want to make, for example, A goes to B and B goes to C, and C goes to A, then we say a new variable D, and then first we put in I think we should put in C here, and then we should start C equals B equals A, and A equals D. So then, inside C, there goes B, inside B, there goes A, inside A, there goes D, which is C, so this makes sense, and this is the swap algorithm. And then I did not tell you about this in the math part, but if a squared plus b squared equals c squared, that's called right triangle. And if a squared plus b squared is bigger than the c squared, it's called the acute triangle, which is kind of a thing that's like this. So it's not over 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle, however, is bigger than the 90 degrees. So if a squared plus b squared equals c squared is right, a squared plus b squared is over than c squared acute, a squared plus b squared is smaller than c squared, it becomes obtuse. And this video is actually very kind of short, but I put my whole effort inside it. It took about 3 hours to make, and I'm filming it, I'm editing it, and my editor program is completely free program, so my editing skills might not be good, but I hope you enjoyed it, and you should think about the swap algorithm, and you should think this. In math, we know 3, 4, and 5 is the Pythagorean number, and we calculate it all by it, and 5, 12, 13, 7, 15, 17, etc. going on and on. I think 7, 15, 17 is kind of wrong. It's 8, 15, 17. Anyways, on and on. But with coding, we could just see A, B, C, do it like this, and then check if A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Then we go by, and then it's going to print really fast. It's going to print. So let's just do this. It's gonna say, it'll speed up 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13. Sorry, 5, 12, 13, 8, 15, 17. Like this, the computer is way faster than math and coding, programming, and I hope you use a flowchart for coding. And the best part is that coding is way faster than math. If you have coding algorithms inside your mind, then you can think of any other math, for example, combinatorics, number theory, geometry, maybe not geometry because computers cannot draw. Drawing's very ill. But anyways, we can do algebra, number theory, combinatorics, and everything mostly except geometry. We can even do differentiation, derivative, convergence, and anything really you think of in math. Thank you for listening. This was ATM Math plus ATM Coding. Probably next video will be in South Korean or maybe English because I'm not sure. I just picked by the number people will. And probably English. So I'll come back with a new fresh video. And Teacher's Math out and see you next week.